people, welcome back again. So this is HBM Organic Beauty. So today I bring a formulation tip. So if you're a skincare formulators, this video is very important for you. So what are we talking about today? Today I want to talk about those skincare ingredients that easily dissolves in cold water. It's not every skincare ingredient that must undergo a hot face process. That is, let's say for an instance, you're making product and you want to introduce in some actives. It's not must you should probably heat up the water that you're going to use to dissolve these powders. Most powders just dissolve easily in cold water. So if you're the kind of person that makes toner, you make soaps, body wash, this video is actually important for you because most toners you don't need to introduce a hot process face, right? There are some creams you make, you don't need to introduce any hot process face. There are some body wash you make, and actually though it depends on the powders or lightening active or brightening active, treatment active you're using, but in general I just want to introduce these powders to you people so that you equally know that you can use them in hot face process and you can also use them in a cold water face. So let's go. Number one is tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid is actually a skin brightening active used to treat hyperpigmentation, used to brighten the skin and the rest. So yeah, if you're actually making a toner, you're making a body wash, you're making a cold process face cream or body cream, you can actually introduce tranexamic acid into your cold water. Like you can just pour it inside your cold distilled water and stir it and it will just dissolve easily. So number two is niacinamide. Niacinamide is actually called vitamin B, and it is a skin brightening active and a skin barrier repair active that is equally good to fade hyperpigmentation, and it also has so many other function benefit that it does on the skin. So number three, giga white powder. Giga white powder is also a skin brightening or skin lightening active. It is naturally derived from a plant named I think something alpine plant. If I remember, I'm going to put it up on the screen, but it is a skin brightening active that dissolves easily in water. Niacinamide also dissolve easily in water. So this active, you just pour them inside your water, give it a nice stir, it's going to dissolve very well. So number four is licorice. Licorice is a skin brightening, skin soothing active which dissolves in cold water easily. Just pour it into your distilled cold distilled water during your during your water phase, and it's gonna dissolve so easily. I think I lost count, but I'll just be mentioning their name. So another one is alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin is a skin brightening or a skin lightening active used to fade out hyperpigmentation, used to brighten the skin, and it's actually dissolved in cold water easily. Like you can basically pour your alpha arbutin into your rose water and just give it a little stir and it will just dissolve completely. So another one is mulberry. Mulberry dissolves easily in water. Remember, we have different types of mulberry extract. It's all depend on the way they were being extracted. We have the pink, we have the purple, we have the white, we have the mulberry extract itself, we have the mulberry the one that looks like mulberry leaf that is actually brownish in color. So but basically they all dissolves in water. So another active is snow white powder. Snow white powder is actually a skin brightening active which dissolves easily in cold water. And we also have another one called allantoin. Allantoin is actually a soothing and calming anti-irritant skincare ingredient that you incorporate into your skincare product during skincare formulation, and it dissolves in cold water. So in case you want to make serums, you want to make face toner, you want to make a cold process cream, this allantoin powder will easily dissolve in your cold water without you putting it or heating it up on the fire. So we have MSM. MSM, I'll be putting the full meaning on the screen. MSM actually dissolve easily. Just incorporate into your cold distilled water and just stir for some time. It doesn't actually dissolve easily like alpha-butene niacinamide. But yes, just continue stirring, is going to dissolve. Another ingredient that can dissolve in cold water easily is N-acetylglucosamine, which is called NAG. N-acetylglucosamine. This dissolve in cold water easily. This is very good to brighten up the skin, to fade off dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It helps soothe redness on the face. You can pair it up with vitamin B, alpha-butene, and any other skin brightening active of your choice. So another skincare ingredient that dissolve easily in cold water is vitamin C. Vitamin C, it could be ascorbic acid, it could be any type of vitamin C, except for the oil soluble vitamin C. This vitamin C powders I'm talking about, it dissolve easily in cold water. So another skincare ingredient that will dissolve easily in cold water phase is bromelain enzymes. Bromelain enzyme dissolve easily, like you're making a toner, it dissolve easily. The same thing as papain enzyme. Papain enzymes dissolve easily, like easily, easy peasy. So if you want to make skincare products, and you know you're making toner, you're making serum, you're making a cold processed cream that you don't need to heat up anything on fire, then just consider using any of this active. Combine them into your recipe, like add them into your recipe, because they dissolve easily and they don't give you stress when you're working with them. So if you want me to do more of this video, you guys should comment down there in the comment section. I'm going to give you more tips like this, more formulation tips that you're going to pay to get information on. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Bye.